The world's favorite pasta dish, pasta carbonara. Carbonara can be Russian or Italian. Russian carbonara has cream added. In Italy, cream is not added except in tourist areas. To cook the pasta, you need hot boiling water. While the water is boiling, I make the sauce. The sauce is very simple but very tasty. In the original recipe, the Italians use guanciale. Guanciale is an Italian cured meat product prepared from pork, jowl or cheeks. Its name is derived from guancia, the Italian word for cheek. Traditionally, guanciale is used to make pasta or sauces. Pancetta, bacon, can be used as a substitute for guanciale. In our case, replace the guanciale with bacon, which is less expensive. Cut the bacon into large pieces and fry over a low heat in a frying pan. As this is an Italian pasta, we'll cook it in olive oil. When the water starts to boil, add the spaghetti. There is no need to salt the water, as there is enough salt in the sauce. It is important not to overcook the spaghetti. Real spaghetti should be undercooked. When we make Russian carbonara, we put cream in the pan with the bacon, but we don't do that. Crush a garlic and fry in the oil over a low heat. Add freshly ground pepper. Now we need 3 eggs yolks. The yolks are the base for the pasta carbonara sauce. The original recipe uses pecorino romano and often parmigiano reggiano, but we don't have any of these cheeses. So we use any hard Parmesan cheese. Grate the hard cheese. Mix the egg yolks with the olive oil. Add the grated Parmesan. Mix the egg yolks with the Parmesan and add a little hot spaghetti water. This hot broth is just right to make a good sauce. Then add the fried bacon, garlic and pepper to the same mixture. The technique for the sauce is to add hot spaghetti to the sauce. Stir and the yolks will thicken. The sauce will have the right consistency. Then add the spaghetti sauce. The sauce will become thick and soak into the pasta, and the egg yolks will start to thicken under the heat, and you will have a real carbonara sauce. At the end you can add some cheese. This is real Italian pasta carbonara. To make Italian pasta carbonara, you need spaghetti, eggs, bacon, garlic, hard cheese and olive oil.